How to sign in Britbox account. So if you want to sign in to your Britbox account, then first of all you can open up a browser and then go for the search bar and search for Britbox. And after searching here, you will have this www.britbox.com. Click on that, and now you can go for sign in, which is on the upper right. Click on that sign in. And if you want to sign into your account, here you have to first enter your email address on the first blank, and after entering your email address, here on the next blank you have to enter your password. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option, and then you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember your password, then simply enter it, and after entering, click on sign in, and after clicking on sign in, you will be signed into your Britbox account. So that's it. That's how you sign in or log into your Britbox account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.